Hello, friends. We are really happy to continue the series of Zindagi Ka Parcha Chai Pe Charcha Biji ke Saath. So, Rasika, thank you for joining in. We're just waiting and for Dr. Das to join us. And today is going to be really interesting because he's going to talk about entrepreneurship, and with the wide experience that he has, I'm sure we're going to have a lot of inputs and a lot of learning today. So you stay tuned just as he joins us. Before that, let me just introduce Dr. Mangesh Das to you. He is an organizational expert, development expert. He is a consultant as well. He is an NLP practitioner. He is a what do you say? A clinical psychotherapist. He is into the field of behavioral modification for the past 26 years, and he's an awesome person, I would say. Every time that I talk to him, I come back with an institution of learning, I would say. So he is an institution of learning himself, and it would be a great opportunity to learn from this great person today. So, Twaran is a segment of Zindagi Ka Parcha Chai Pe Charcha Biji Ke Saath. And Zindagi Ka Parcha Chai Pe Charcha is about bringing experts in various fields to you so that you can enhance your learning and maybe take away with you certain practical tips which you can use in your day-to-day life to become more successful. So, Management Me welcomes Dr. Mangesh Das as a knowledge guru, as a management guru, and a life guru. So he's been working with management institutes. He was also a part of certain management institutes. He has developed various programs, and he also develops return on investment programs for organizations and has been doing pretty well. His expertise is in various fields, and he has an experience. He's also the recipient of NIPM SB Mishra Gold Medal Award for Excellence in HR, and he has also presented papers on various forums and has excelled there as well. Great to have you here, sir, and waiting for you to join us, and it's really wonderful to have you here. We are waiting for a lot of insights from you, so I'm not going to waste any time. I'm just going to start as fast as possible. Sir, you've had a wide experience in various fields. So what, according to you, are the three qualities required for becoming successful?
Okay, I have been gone through quite a number of years of experience, and I have seen, when I have reflected back and realized what are the most important qualities, maybe me or people who have grown in life, it is that number one is the quality of possibility thinking. Whenever
I am noting it down, sir.
Please. So I evaluate as number one quality is possibility thinking, because whatever you want to do, we remain positive about it. When you remain positive about it, may or may not possibility about it, definitely you will see the possibilities happening in your life. I believe this is number one quality. Number two quality is composing self, because most of the time when you go through the journey, sometimes we get delineated in the way or in the path. Sometimes challenges come, sometimes heartbreaks happens, sometimes people, they leave us in between. So a lot of situation comes. Sometimes finance may be a challenge, sometimes your goal itself may be a challenge, your passion may be a challenge. So we need to actually repack ourselves, reconcile. So composing self and reconciliation at any point of time is another quality I see it is there. And third is the value for money. Most of the time, if I do not realize the value for money, I say today money is important because money buys. Similarly, if earlier, money was not that important, earlier, education was important. So gradually, things are changing. So I say that value for wealth. So if I combine the three things, your possibility thinking, composing self, and value for wealth or value for money, these are the three most important qualities.
Wonderful, sir. Sir, when you talked about composing the self, you mean to say that we should be aligned with what we are doing. And if at all there is a setback, we come back on the purpose. That means the purpose should be so
Absolutely.
strong, or my purpose is stronger than the fear that I have. Wonderful, wonderful.
Absolutely. So what happens? Anything that breaks us, we should be able to make us. So that is
Right.
what is called as this composing self.
Wonderful. Another line I am reminded about, whatever, I mean, it is not a breakup, it is a breakthrough, right?
Correct.
So that's really beautiful, sir. Sir, you are the co-founder of Twaran. So can you just say why did you
Correct.
choose that name, and when did you start it?
In fact, I had a dream of starting my own organization in the year 2008. So I was holding that within me. But since I was in job, I was in a very good position. It was not giving me that courage to leave this and start to business. But in 2012, I took a drastic step. In 2013, I floated this company, Twaran. And when I floated this company, there are two stories behind it. All my well-wishers, my friends, my circle, they told me to keep an English name so that it will be very promoted in India and all people will like this name. Then
Okay.
suddenly I thought I will keep a Sanskrit name. I will make it float across the globe. So when I was finding out what is my passion, I have seen in my life, always I loved one word that is called as speed or acceleration. So then
Okay.
I found in Sanskrit, it is called as Twaran. And then I thought, let me keep this name and make it popular across the globe. And this is what is happening these days. So that's why I have chosen this name.
Wonderful, sir. Wonderful. So I think every time you say that word, Twaran, it's like acceleration. And if you are not accelerating, you better pump yourself up.
Absolutely, absolutely.
That's a wonderful
That's
affirmation also, I would say. Like,
so
I have this tagline which I say, get, set, go. So that really pumps me up.
absolutely.
Wonderful,
I agree with you.
wonderful. Thanks for viewing, and I'm sure you've had a good time. Like, comment, subscribe, and share as much as possible so that others too can be enlightened. We'll be happy to bring you more and more videos, and if you have any queries with regards to personal development and personal growth, do write to us at seminarbiji@gmail.com or message us on 8355 824 990. I win when you win. God bless.